Home Minister Sri Lahkmen Rymbui on Tuesday laid the foundation stone for the construction of Amlarem Pdengshakap Muktapu Road amounting to Rs 22 crore 12 lakh 50,000. The sanctioned amount will cover widening, improvement, metaling, blacktopping and construction of major and minor bridge of the road of length 14.60 kilometers under the Central Road Infrastructure Fund. The minister also inaugurated the Pdengshakap Trangblang Road and the Pdengshakap Internal Road under the Rural Infrastructure Development Fund 27. In his address, Rymbui mentioned about the already completed road projects, namely the Muktapu Bargat Road, Pdengshakap Junction Road and the Sindai Umsotai Road, which are under the PMGSY. He also mentioned that 150 crore has been allotted to the state for road construction under the Central Road Infrastructure Fund, out of which 7 crore approximately is sanctioned for Dauki Muktapur Umsku Road of length 10 kilometers.
Sanction hapo kawar east kaya penya so ya kawar east hagin ni santul likisnem kilang 10 kilometer point south pa meter. Bak kajingot naman kagin ni surak baro kalong sabu kunai kelur point sans pa hanya busan lah.